everyone, I just made the most delicious bread and butter pudding. I'll show you how to make it. And bread pudding, you wish you tasted this good.
You want to gather your ingredients, and I used a rustic sourdough bread from a local bakery. Shout out to Old Hearth Bread Company, and dark muscovado sugar for a garnish. That has a heavy molasses content. It's delicious. Soak a third cup of raisins in rum for at least an hour, and then get to slicing your bread. Now I used a high-end bread here because I wanted to make the best bread and butter pudding ever. And I was totally going for it. So I have 6 slices, and that comes out to be about 6 cups of bread. And you want to generously butter each side of the slices. I used about a half cup, maybe a little bit less, and then take 2 eggs and give them a good beating. And you want to add 2 cups of whole milk, 1/4 cup cream, a 1/3 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, and some fresh nutmeg or a pinch of nutmeg, and give that a good mix. Drain the raisins and reserve that rum. Now if you don't want rum raisins, just use water. I love the rum though. It gives the pudding a very, very deep flavor. And then you want to layer the bread and the raisins. I'm using a square pan here, and this is layering it is sort of like, you know, a round peg in a square hole, or is it a square hole and a round peg? I don't know. I never get that one right, but do the best you can and just layer it like that lasagna and shove it in there. Plug up the holes. And then you want to pour the rum mixture and the egg and milk mixture on top. Make sure it gets in there real good. And then you want to let that soak for 10 minutes, and make sure you preheat your oven at this point to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then after the soaking, put more butter on top, and here goes the muscovado sugar that has that heavy molasses content, high-end sugar, well worth it, you guys, check it out. Here it goes in the oven, and then I'm having fun with Willow here. She was not happy with me. And here you go. The whole house smells like bread and butter pudding. It is so divine, much better than bread pudding. Cream goes on top, and or vanilla ice cream. It was the best. You should have heard the sounds coming from my kitchen table. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.